Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share with you our form builder extension for Magento. You can really easily build light boxes, pop-ups, banners, sliders, embedded widgets. Very easy to make these changes and embed and have them appear on your Magento site. Very high converting as well. It works with any ESP system, any CRM system. So when you capture an email or any type of data, we can pass all of that data back into Magento, of course, as well as any email marketing system, as well as any CRM system as well. It also can be fully integrated into Google Analytics or your analytics system to fire events so you can track conversions or do some revenue reporting as well. You can build any type of widget that your site needs. This is those banners at the top. This is light boxes that pop open for first-time visitors or sidebars that slide in. You can build little mini quizzes as well. You can have unlimited custom fields here as well in our drag and drop builder. You can add hidden fields for tracking purposes. You can do drop downs, text boxes. It's very customizable and changeable inside our editor. One of my favorite things about it is you can push as much data as well in real time to any email marketing system. So of course, all your form fields, but also hidden fields as well for tracking purposes, or really any of that other data as well. We also can set up your account so it doesn't store any data on your site. So that therefore we're not even a sub processor. We don't store any PI data. Of course, you can store it as well, but we do offer that option so you can store no data. Digioh stores no data on our servers. A lot of different things that you can do with our builder. For example, this could be like a first-time use flow where people can sign up. If they enter their email and get a 10% off coupon. This is a footer banner, for example, that you can do. So this is great for nonprofits. It can appear at the top of your header, right above your nav, and keep scrolling with you. You can do little mini quizzes. So you take a quiz, and that's all personalized based on what they pick. So they pick toy quiz, and who are you shopping for? Ages 0 to 5 or 5 to 10. You can click another button. It takes you down a path of tell us a little bit about yourself and we'll give you more information on what to buy. We do a lot of, gated pages as well. Enter your email and birthday and give them like a free PDF download or potentially a coloring page in this case. So a lot of different things that you can do with Digioh. Here's another kind of example to, we can detect if it's an Android or an iPhone, and based on that, show them the right click call to action to download the right app. And then here's a lot of people use Digioh to actually capture emails and show discounts and sales. This is another great one. You can add dynamic light boxes. This is one of our highest converting things that we do on our platform for marketers for e-commerce sites. So we can detect what exactly they're looking at, and based on that, dynamically change the offer. So it's about them. So if they're offering this example, they're on a stuffed animal toy. So based on that, we will actually show get 25% off on stuffed animals. If they're on a different category like wooden toys, it would say get 25% off on all wooden toys. And this is where, when you add a little bit of personalization, you can increase your conversions usually by 2 to 7x. It's pretty impressive. And you can do that personalization based on any tag on your site, any Magento category tag on your site, and it's all within the editor. There's no code required for that. You can also do it based on URL parameters or really any data that exists in your backend, which is what makes it super powerful. My favorite thing, and one of our flagship features, is the ability to target light boxes and sidebars based on a variety of parameters. So in this case, we could say, hey, look, we're going to trigger this form, this light box for anyone that's been on the site for 3 seconds. They're coming in from Facebook. They're a brand new visitor, first-time visitor. They haven't closed or submitted the form. The goal is to be very effective but not annoying. If a user comes back to your site again and again, you don't want to keep showing that to them. You only want to show it to a very specific segmented audience. You can also target based on device, where they're located as well. So we have lots of different things that you can pick and choose from. We can even use your own cookie targeting. So we can target people that are logged in or logged out. Very powerful targeting. You can have a limited amount of these boxes on your site, and they can do very niche segments. And that's where that's where our users see their conversion increases. A lot of other cool tools as well. You can A/B test. So you can test things like design and copy, images, buttons. You can try 10% off versus 5% off, see what really moves the needle. And remember, this is all integrated into your analytics system, so you can actually tie it all back to revenue as well. This is one of our great features as well. Very powerful to test what offer actually works. One big thing that a lot of e-commerce folks use is they upload a list of coupon codes, and we have device ID locked. So that means someone can't come in and just enter a bunch of fake email addresses and get your coupon codes. After they enter an email, you can do a one-time use coupon code, and that will go away. And then if they come back, the same visitor comes back to the site and they enter their email again, they'll just see the same coupon code. And we can make that persistent and make sure they actually, tie it all back to that same device, which makes it really powerful. It's very easy to set this up. One-time use coupon codes are a very powerful thing to see a big revenue lift on your site. We also can do back in stock notifications. So we can detect in Magento if an item went out of stock. And when it does, we can inject this type of form on the page and they can actually enter their email and you'll get an email alert saying, hey, this email address really wanted to get this product, but it was out of stock. So when it's back in stock, let's send them an email. And this is a high ROI email because they're obviously very interested in the product and they want to come back and purchase it when it's ready. And it also lets you know, hey, we should get this back in stock as well as the e-commerce store owner. Another thing that we can do is we can actually detect the cart value in Magento. So for example, if you're offering anyone free shipping, if the order is over $75, we can actually detect, hey, they only have $30 in their cart. So we can actually change this message to be like, hey, add $45 more to your cart and you qualify for free shipping or a free gift. Very cool thing. You can target based on all sorts of thresholds. You can also do a thing where if they're leaving the page, we can track their mouse movements. And if they're leaving the page, we can actually show an exit intent lightbox and dynamically show how much is left. And maybe they already qualified. So maybe on exit, we can say, hey, before you go, you qualify for free shipping. Very powerful feature to be able to read in the actual cart value. This is a really cool thing, personalized product recommendations. So you can take them through a very easy, one tap quiz. So they click this take the toy quiz, then you ask them what they're looking for. And once they push in, like they're on wooden toys, maybe you can suggest your top selling wooden toy and then offer them even a coupon code if they enter their email address. All this data also then gets pushed into your email marketing system. So when they do enter their email, you can say, hey, this email address really liked the wooden toys. So when you get a new wooden toy in, you can send them a segmented campaign in your email marketing system. That's all. There's a lot of other great features that I'll have to show you. I can take a look at your site and talk about a variety of different campaigns that you can run to increase conversions. Check us out. We love working on Magento. It works on any version of Magento and would love to talk with you. Thanks.